If you're trying to run an app and it's not working, you may be missing the necessary components to make it function properly. One such component is the Visual C++ Redistributable. This software package contains the runtime components of the Visual C++ libraries required to run applications developed with Visual C++ on a computer that does not have Visual C++ installed. Don't worry, it's quick and easy to set up. Let me guide you through the process step by step. First, open your favorite web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, any browser will work. In the search bar, type Visual C++ Redistributable and hit Enter. Look for the link to the official Microsoft website. This part is important. Downloading from a trusted source like Microsoft ensures your system stays secure. Once you're on the Microsoft page, scroll down until you see a list of versions. Find the one labeled 2015 to 2022 and click on the latest supported option. At the top of the page, you'll notice a few download options. Most modern computers require the x64 version for 64-bit systems, so go ahead and click that. Your download will start immediately. When the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. You'll see the installer file there. Double-click it to launch. The setup screen will appear, and all you need to do is review the license terms, check the box to agree, and click Install. It's a straightforward process. If a pop-up asks for admin permissions, click Yes to continue. And that's it. The installation only takes a few seconds, and once it's done, you're ready to install and run the apps you need. Please note that in some cases, a system restart may be required for the changes to take effect. If you encounter any issues after installation, try restarting your computer. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it or let me know what other tips you'd like to see. Happy installing!